Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Terry, your RV specialist. So we got a 2022 Grand Design Imagine. It's a 2670 MK, and what it's in here for is somehow the consumer, so if you're watching it, somehow the consumer hit the spare tire and then tore up the underbelly material. So I'm gonna show you the spare tire carrier here real quick. I'm not sure if this is getting turned into insurance or if the customer's paying for it. You can see the damage where it bent up and broke the tire carrier, spare tire carrier. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna crawl underneath. And again, none of this stuff is rehearsed. I haven't been underneath here yet. I'm just gonna pop underneath just to show you a few things and things that we come across. So people all the time will say, hey, you know, why this, why that? And I'm gonna try to see if I can't answer some of that in this video. So let's start with the front, right? You know, here's all your batteries and stuff like that. You see there's a fuse right here, hit out. As you follow it back, you're gonna see a bunch of wiring and you're gonna see some circuit breakers. So if you ever have some voltage issues, you wanna check